Hi guys, this is Wonder and Shay. Today we are staying at Kandy Myst by Cinnamon, a stunning new city hotel in Kandy. Kandy Myst by Cinnamon is an upscale city hotel set along the Katugastota main road leading into Kandy. The entrance is stunning, with hanging tree vines that gives a warm, inviting and natural feel. It's just a short distance from the sacred temple of the Tooth Relic and is also very conveniently located for exploring the city.
Now I'm feeling high. Took some time to find my peace, now I fly. The road was rough, but I'm still on my feet. Now I see the beauty in the life I keep. So many lessons in the days gone by, but today's a new day.
Stepping into the hotel, the lobby welcomes you with its open, stylish and beautifully designed interior. One of the highlights of Kandy Myst is the staff. They are very friendly and always ready to help, greeting you with big genuine smiles.
Good vibes, that's all I need.
And we were greeted with a cinnamon-scented cold towel and a refreshing cold drink. Located right in the lobby is the Terra Lounge, a cozy spot to enjoy a coffee or a tasty snack. It's open for both hotel residents and visitors. With its relaxing atmosphere, it's the perfect place to take a break and savor the beautifully presented snacks.
I'm taking the good with the bad, making it right. Got a fresh new outlook, and I'm feeling light. Oh, good vibes all around.
The hotel city location is perfect. Essentials like Cargill's, Arpico, and Kiel supermarkets are just around the corner. And also, the Kandy Tooth Relic Palace is only a short drive away. You can observe the daily corridor puja held 3 times a day, 5:30 to 7 am, 9:30 to 11 am and 6:30 to 8 pm. Here you will also get a beautiful glimpse of Kandy's heritage and traditional art. If you are driving your own vehicle, the municipal car park near the Kandy City Centre Mall provides convenient, hassle-free parking. Let's get back to the hotel. Once we checked in, we headed up to our room on the 12th floor. Since this is a city hotel, there are only 2 room categories, Superior City View and Deluxe Mountain View. We stayed in a Deluxe Mountain View room. Being a city hotel, the space is compact but smartly designed, spotless and opens up to breathtaking panoramic views of Kandy's lush green mountains. The room is thoughtfully designed with all the amenities you need for a comfortable stay. Even the bedside power outlets have USB ports, which is really convenient. As you can see, there's a wardrobe with an iron and a table, and it comes with a full-size built-in mirror. Since we stayed in a corner room, we had an extra window facing east, the perfect spot to catch morning sunrise. The room also features a dressing table. Plus, there's a mini fridge and and tea and coffee setup. Perfect for a pleasant stay. The bathroom is clean, stylish, and comes with everything you need for a relaxing stay. Now let's go and explore the hotel. On to the most exciting part, the rooftop infinity pool. This is the perfect spot to unwind and take in the views. The infinity-style pool offers a breathtaking mountain scenery, making every swim feel like a mini escape from the city below. Right next to the main pool is the kids' pool for your little ones to have fun safely. The infinity pool also comes with water lounges and a jacuzzi area for ultimate relaxation. And the best part, the pool is heated, so you can enjoy swim anytime from 6:30 in the morning until 9 at night. Next up is the Kosmos Sky Bar, the perfect spot to enjoy a cold beverage while soaking in the mountain views.
She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. The touch sends shivers, electrify my skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flame.
And here's the outdoor dining section of the Kosmos Sky Bar.
Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires, wild and free, no labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark.
You can find a gym right next to the pool. It is modern and fully equipped with large windows overlooking the mountains. Working out here is more than just exercise. It's an experience. This is the terrace area, a quiet corner for you to sit back and relax.
Beneath the opalescent lights, our worlds collide.
As night falls, Kandy Myst lights up beautifully against the Kandy sky. Now let's head to dinner at Grain's Dining, the hotel's main restaurant on the 5th floor. As you can see, Grain's Dining is spacious and modern. It was quite busy during our stay, but the staff were super friendly and the service really stood out. The buffet here offers a mix of international, Indian, Chinese and Sri Lankan dishes. So there's something for everyone to enjoy. Everything we tried was absolutely delicious.
Over my head, I got your faces stuck in my daydreams all through the night, and all through the night I find that
barista coffee varieties and tea are included in the buffet as well. And the main restaurant comes alive with live entertainment, making the dining experience even more enjoyable. After our meal, we headed up to the Kosmos Sky Bar. A DJ was on and the vibe was just right for a fun night.
Every day I wake up like a boss and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We were saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us. Yeah, I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop it ain't on.
Good morning everyone. Watching the sunrise from the rooftop with the mist rolling over the mountains was absolutely magical.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, then fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, yeah. I don't know what is it exactly.
Looking left, you will spot the Knuckles and Hunnasgiriya mountain ranges.
Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt mist and sea, sand and amber trees.
And to the right, the Hantana mountains.
Soaked in nostalgia slowly, all the leaves are turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like summer and I simply don't wanna see the.
We kicked off our day with a workout at the gym. Exercising while overlooking the mountains and sunrise was so refreshing. The perfect way to start the day and was a unique experience. After the gym, we headed to Grain's Dining for breakfast.
To summer, I keep on forgetting times learn how to fly, and before I know it, it passes me by. Oh, I don't know why.
Just like dinner, it was quite busy in the morning. But the buffet was impressive with multiple action stations serving a variety of options. Everything we tried was absolutely delicious and very satisfying.
Sand and amber trees, 'cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves are turning brown, 'cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cool wind sneak back in our town. 'Cause we lived when it was out bare feet, tan skin glistening beneath the heat, evening swirling to a bird song beat, but it's now so very bittersweet. So I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye to summer. Goodbye to summer. If life is an ocean wave, I'll stand on the shore and wait. Panoramic point of view, it paints a different kind of you. Nothing's permanent but change, waves never crash in the same place. There's really not much you can do but marvel at the residue. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves are turning brown, 'cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cool wind sneak back in our town. But I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye to summer. Skip class in the parking lot, smoking with your friends. Girl, I know we don't talk a lot, but I'm wondering, can I get your number before you walk away? We could sneak out on the weekend. Give me the time and place, tell me what do you say?
Just like at dinner, the breakfast buffet also includes a variety of barista coffees and teas. After a misty morning and a hearty breakfast, it was time for us to check out. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.